how to replay snaps more than once on Snapchat. So if you want to replay your snaps more than once, then what you have to do is you can open up your Snapchat application, and then after opening, now you can go for the bottom left and then go for chats, and here you will have the snaps, right? So you can simply open up any snap that you would like, and after opening that snap, now you can again hold on to that chat, and then it will replay, right? So you can only replay once, but if you want to again replay that, then it will ask you to take a Snapchat subscription. So if you have a Snapchat subscription, then you can replay it again, like extra replay. You will have an extra replay. You can replay it 2 times. So if you want to replay snaps more than once on Snapchat, then you need to have the subscription. And after having the Snapchat Plus subscription, then you can simply again tap on that, and then you can have the replay again. So that's it, that's how you do it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.